Hello, welcome to Dreampedia. Today, one of my subscribers asked me a great question in the comment section. The question is, what can I do to increase my chances of having good dreams? Thank you for asking me that question. Well, to answer that question, I need to talk a little bit about zodiac signs. In Asian zodiac system, there are 12 animal signs in the system. Each year has a different animal assigned to it. The 12 animals include mouse, ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, sheep, monkey, dog, and a pig. You can Google which animal zodiac sign you belong to. So, each animal sign has its own auspicious direction. So you want to figure out which direction is most compatible with your zodiac animal sign and sleep in that direction. By sleeping in that direction, I mean make sure you put your head in that direction when you sleep. Okay, so if your sign is monkey or a mouse or a dragon, your favorable direction is northeast. You want to sleep in that direction. If your sign is pig or a rabbit or a sheep, you want to sleep in the direction of east-south. If your sign is tiger or horse or dog, your direction is southwest. Last but not least, if your sign is snake or chicken or ox, your direction is northwest. Well, there are a few more tips I would like to give you as a bonus in this video. I'm going to talk a little bit about feng shui. First of all, do not sleep in the window direction. Make sure you do not put your head close to your windows. Windows are one of the conduits through which all kinds of energy travel. Unlike walls, windows are not capable of blocking negative energies. So naturally, you do not want to put your head next to the window. I know some people have windows in all directions of their rooms. So in that case, make sure you use blinds or curtains. They can convert your windows into walls in feng shui. Secondly, avoid sleeping the direction of your kitchen or bathroom. In Korean shamanism, we believe each house has a guardian spirit, and those spirits live in the kitchen or bathroom usually. So you want to avoid sleeping in that direction. Respect their space. Well, I hope you can improve not only the quality of your dreams, but also the level of good energy flowing into your home by practicing these simple techniques I just mentioned. Please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you soon.